Hello everybody, welcome again to the Grimo TV. So today I'll be going to introduce a topic about vaccines and viruses. We know very well the situation of viruses, how they can be prevented using vaccines. So today I'll be talking generally about vaccines and less about COVID-19. So we all know vaccines are used to boost your immune system and prevent serious and life-threatening diseases. These serious and life-threatening diseases, which may attack our bodies, may be prevented by use of vaccines. So this vaccine will always teach your body on how to defend itself when germs such as viruses, bacteria invade it. So when they invade your body, these vaccines already have created a memory in your immune system to help it conquer the bacteria or virus. So your immune system later learns to recognize and attack the infection in a later date or exposed later in life. So today I'm going to talk about vaccines and viruses. So that's the topic of today. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, comment, and also leave your message in the comment section, share, and also you learn from it. Take some notes about vaccines and viruses. Okay, we all know that there are only 4 types of vaccines that are currently available. Number 1, we have the live virus vaccines. They use the weakened form of the virus. The measles and rubella are examples, and also varicella, the chickenpox vaccine, are also examples. So these ones use the live virus vaccines. So these ones are not that too much toxic. The second one might be toxic. These are the killed or inactivated viruses. So here they use only a small portion of the virus or bacteria to induce the body to create memory. So pieces of a vaccine, of a virus or a bacteria, are taken out from the body of the virus or bacteria and introduced into the body for the immune system to respond to it and also create memory. The third example is the toxoid. They contain a toxin or chemical made by the bacteria. So these ones contain the chemical which is made by the bacteria or virus. They make your immune system to be your immune system to the harmful effects of the infection instead of infection itself. So it will make the immune system to be reactive to the negative side or the toxins or the effects of the infection. Number 4, we have the biosynthetic vaccines. They contain man-made substances that are similar to pieces of vaccines of virus and bacteria. The hepatitis B vaccine is an example. Remarkably, when I come back to COVID-19, there are several COVID-19 that could be soon rolled out across the UK in less than 12 months from a pandemic declared. And only that vaccines from Pfizer, Moderna, Oxford University have shown many times more effective than first predicted, by above 90% in some instances. So far, 4 major vaccines have shown promising results in protecting people against COVID-19, and also Grimo TV marks this one as correct. We want to thank the Pfizer BioNTech, the mRNA. After conducting their final efficacy analysis, the 2 drug companies announced their vaccine is more than 94% effective for over 65s. The findings were based on a study of 41,000 patients around the globe. You can see 41,000 patients are across the whole globe. They've got the Oxford University, which invented the AstraZeneca, the viral vector. The vaccine was shown to be on average of 70% effective in the analysis of phase 3 trial While administering 2 full doses of the vaccine a couple of months apart yielded 62% effectiveness, a half dose followed by full one later showed to be 90% effective. With the Moderna, in a trial of more than 30,000 Americans, the vaccine has shown also promising results to be 95% effective. Number 4, you've got the Gemellaya Sputnik V viral vector. So these ones are the only vaccines that have been showing promising results. And I think they've also gone ahead to see on the 4 types of vaccine, they've used the technology there to come up with these vaccines. So in a later video, I'll be talking about how coronavirus vaccines work. And this might help out even the scientists watching this video to make up some proof and also work out on the vaccine itself. I'll also be sharing about how to make these vaccines. So make sure you comment, add your comment, and also subscribe to this channel, and also share and also subscribe to it by hitting the like button on the right bottom corner of your screen. Bye bye. See you later.